the majestic giant river otter. Hello, wild adventurers. Welcome to Wild Wonders, the podcast where we delve into the fascinating world of wildlife. I'm your host, Blaze Wildlife, and today we're shining the spotlight on a truly remarkable creature, the giant river otter, scientifically known as Terranura brasiliensis. Let's jump right in. In this episode, we're uncovering 15 amazing facts about these aquatic marvels. And don't forget, at the end, there's a quiz waiting for you. Drop your answers in the comments to join in the fun. The giant river otter is the largest otter species in the world, reaching up to 6 feet in length. That's about as long as an average human. These otters are very social. They live in family groups called romps, which can include up to 20 members. Talk about a big family gathering. Giant river otters are carnivorous, feasting mainly on fish, but they also eat crabs, snakes, and even small caimans. Quite the varied menu. They're quite chatty. These otters use a variety of vocalizations to communicate within their groups, from hums and whistles to alarm calls. Their hunting skills are impressive. They coordinate in groups to catch prey, demonstrating complex social and hunting behaviors. Giant river otters are territorial. They mark their territory with scent glands and are known to aggressively defend their home range. These otters are excellent swimmers, thanks to their webbed feet and streamlined bodies reaching speeds of up to 9 kilometers per hour. Unlike many other otter species, the giant river otter is diurnal, meaning it's active during the day. Each otter has a unique throat marking which helps individuals to be identified from one another. In the wild, they can live up to 8-10 years, but in captivity, their lifespan can extend to 15 years or more. Unfortunately, they are listed as an endangered species, mainly due to habitat destruction and poaching. Giant river otters display strong family bonds. Young otters stay with their parents until they are about 2 years old. They primarily inhabit freshwater rivers, lakes, and creeks in South America, especially in the Amazon, Orinoco, and La Plata river systems. Females give birth to litters of 1 to 6 pups, which are cared for by both parents and older siblings. As apex predators in their ecosystem, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of aquatic life. Giant river otters are skilled at constructing dens, also known as holts, near riverbanks. These dens have multiple entrances and are typically lined with vegetation for comfort. Known for their playful nature, giant river otters often engage in activities like sliding down mudbanks into the water. This play is not just fun, but also serves as a way to strengthen social bonds and teach the younger otters necessary survival skills. In some instances, these otters have been observed using rocks as tools to crack open hard-shelled prey, showcasing their problem-solving abilities. Their breeding season is highly influenced by environmental factors. In general, giant river otters tend to breed during the dry season, which makes it easier for them to fish and provide for their young. Aside from direct threats like poaching and habitat destruction, giant river otters are also affected by indirect human activities. Water pollution, overfishing, and increased boat traffic can significantly impact their health and ability to hunt. Now for our quiz, can you remember the unique feature giant river otters have that helps individuals to be identified from one another? Post your answer in the comments. All right, adventurers, it's time to reveal the answer to our quiz. But before I do, why not take a moment to test your knowledge? Go ahead and pause the episode here if you'd like to give your answer a final guess. Okay, here we go. The answer to our quiz question: what unique feature helps identify individual giant river otters from one another? Is their unique throat marking. Each giant river otter has a distinct pattern on its throat, which is as unique as a human fingerprint. These markings allow researchers and otter family members to distinguish one otter from another. Fascinating, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this little quiz. As we wrap up, remember the importance of conserving the habitats of these magnificent creatures. Every step towards conservation matters. Thanks for joining me on Wild Wonders. If you enjoyed our journey with the giant river otter, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay wild, and I'll see you next time for another wild adventure. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.